there are three terms in geometry that remain undefined, and those are the point, the line, and the plane. These all are undefined, so these are the building blocks. Undefined building blocks of geometry. If we tried to define them, we would just be going in circles. We would need to use other geometric terms to define them. So it would be a circular definition. And we don't want a circular definition, because that's not helpful. So we can just kind of use our intuition on what these things mean. Now we can talk about some, let's call them signposts, or some guiding ideas around what these things are. So let's talk about a point. So what is a point? Well, let's just call this, that's a point. Let's call it A. So that is the point A. So that has an exact location, but it has no size. None at all. Now, I know you can see this thing that I drew here, and I could even make it bigger and bigger and bigger. And it looks like it has size, right? It's taking up space on your screen. But that's not the point. You're missing the point. That's not the point. The point is we need to indicate the location somehow. And in order to do that, sure, we have to draw something. And the something that we draw has a size on the piece of paper or on the screen. But the point itself does not have any size. It just marks a location, like on a map. You know those little indicators on a map? Yeah, it's just marking a location. It takes up no space at all. So what happens when points line up? See what I did there? Line up. What if we have a whole bunch of points lined up? Well, that will lead us into lines and planes, which we'll discuss in the next part. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.